Let's discover who are the people that will help your foundation amplify its message across all major social networks, increasing awareness for your social cause, and why they are the ideal choice for your digital marketing campaigns. People that are going to post your foundation message on their social media accounts are real ordinary individuals who constitute 82% of social media users. Their authenticity and genuine connections with their audience make them relatable and trustworthy. They come from diverse backgrounds, and their audience is primarily composed of friends, family, colleagues, and childhood friends, enabling your cause to reach a wide and varied audience, maximizing the impact of your digital media campaigns. Because of their creativity and authenticity, everyday people bring a unique and genuine perspective to your foundation's mission, making your campaigns more engaging and shareable, increasing the likelihood of going viral. Trust is a crucial element in the world of social causes, and our advocates are inherently trustworthy. Their genuine commitment to your cause fosters trust among their audience, enhancing the credibility of your initiative. This combination of authenticity, relatability, creativity, and trustworthiness will have a significant impact on raising awareness for your foundation's mission, increasing the results of your fundraising campaigns, and amplifying your message across social media networks. Verbyo unites the voices of everyday people, empowering foundations to tap into the strength of genuine connections, raise awareness, build trust, and drive meaningful impact in our communities. Together, we drive positive change through unity. Go to foundations.verbyo.com and create your foundation account for free.